Attention. Ready? Attention. Next question.
The sun is rising and the dewdrops are shining. The sun is rising and the dewdrops are shining. I am wishing you a sweet morning. Every morning brings a new hope and a new motivation. Every morning brings a new hope and a new motivation. Students of class 8 are here with a new presentation. In the story of life, we must have a strong plot. In the story of life, we must have a strong plot. Priyanka is going to present today's thought.
Good morning. My name is Priyanka. I study 8th class. Today's thought is mistakes are proof that you are trying. I repeat my thought. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Thank you.
Try to learn something new, never make an excuse. Try to learn something new, never make an excuse. Akshay and Pinky are going to present news.
My name is Akshay Sari. I study in 8th class. What's happening around us to add something new in your mind? Pinky and I are presenting some news headlines.
What's happening in our country to put some intellectual use? What's happening in our country to put some intellectual use? First of all, some national news.
New education policy will not impose Hindi in Tamil Nadu, says Education Minister.
India launches multi-nation alliance for collaboration of sustainable development.
Keep flying in the open sky like a bird. Time to know what's happening in the world.
China slaps extra tariff of up to 15% of imports of major US farm exports.
US President Donald Trump stop and all US military aids to Ukraine.
Time to make a move towards the ground. Sports make us healthy, fit and sound.
India versus Australia first semi-final. India beat Australia by 4 wickets.
Today's second semi-final match will be played between South Africa of New Zealand.
Nature sometimes brings destruction, sometimes it gives us sport. It's time to know today's weather report.
Today's minimum temperature may be 12 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature may be 24 degrees Celsius and wind speed 15 km per hour. You think, keep open your mind door. That's all for today. Stay with us to find out more. Thank you.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. But a word a day makes easy and learning way. Like a path between two way. Like a path between two way. Mannat is going to present word of the day. Vitamine. To make something impure, so spoil, pollute, usage,
Pollution has created the water of rivers. I repeat my word. Vitiate. Viatiate. Meaning to make something impure. Synonym. Spoil, pollute, usage. Pollution has created the water of rivers. Thank you.
A sly cannot waste person. Ratha is presenting some GK question.
Everyone, my name is Radha. I study in 8th class. Some questions for primary class. Name the national flower of India. That's the national flower of India. The national bird of India. Who is known as father of Constitution? Constitution. Yes.
This stage gives us a chance to show our wisdom. At last, Raksha and I are presenting special item.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.